This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse beautiful, free-flowing floorplan featuring gleaming hardwoods throughout the first floor. 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths with a total of 4,734 square feet of living space, including the finished basement. Enjoy the convenience of first floor living. From the covered front porch, enter the spacious foyer leading to the first bedroom, which can also be used as the home office. Oversized windows allow plenty of sunlight throughout the day. Leaving through the second door, you will find the hall connecting the first and second bedrooms with a private full bath and linen closet. Moving on to the foyer is the half bath conveniently located for visiting guests. Next you will find the large formal dining room perfect for hosting dinner parties throughout the year. The well-maintained kitchen features recessed lighting, wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, over-the-range microwave, gas range and double ovens. The large kitchen island is perfect for food preparation and allows for additional seating. The kitchen overlooks the living area featuring the stone mantle and gas logs. From the living room, you can access the new deck and large screen porch overlooking the fully fenced backyard, perfect for year-round entertainment. Moving back inside off the living room, you will find the primary suite, featuring a separate sitting area and large walk-in closet. The primary bathroom provides his and her vanities, walk-in shower, and walk-in tub. The spacious laundry room with sink completes the main floor. Located on the second floor, the fourth bedroom includes a sitting area and a fully private bathroom with soaking tub. Plenty of storage is available with the large closet and storage room. The possibilities are endless with the finished daylight basement, which includes a kitchenette, 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom with soaking tub. In addition, you will find a third room perfect for the family game room or home gym. 2 storage rooms for all your storage needs. Keep your car clean in the 2-car garage with additional built-in storage. Highly desirable location just minutes from Central Park, downtown Fredericksburg, Mary Washington Hospital, VRE and I-95. All the conveniences you could need are at your fingertips.